So you guys remember the brush cutter here? It's a Swisher we picked up probably about 3 or 4 months ago in Kentucky when I bought a tractor. It had been sitting. We needed to rebuild the carburetor on it, put some fresh gas in and stuff like that. So we got it going, got the carburetor kind of rebuilt, so it runs and works. But we're going to use that to mow over all of this crazy vines and stuff and try to get in here to where the semi is. So that's what we're going to do right now. Let's crank this baby up and go to cut. Our wilderness has been knocked down. I don't even know where to start pulling. I feel like someone's gonna jump out and get me. I'm over here all day. Yeah, these things are growing through the grill. What? There's a spider? Oh, yeah. Don't be scaring me like that now. Come on. I see a truck. What is it?